Nelson Mandela said, "We are the majority of South Africans. Now we are Majosa, the people of Mzansi. Government of Mzansi, don't correct the problems. We hear them say Batupili, we can see that they eat first. Wabenzi buy cars and houses with the money of the people, while most of us must live in shacks and many children are hungry. Mzansi gets angry, ANC mismanages Mzansi. It is their duty to provide all the things for living. Mzansi don't need the ANC. Mzansi don't trust the ANC. Mzansi wants clever managers to help the people to live well. Woza Majosa, voters of Mzansi. We are people of integrity. We trust the laws of CODESA. We don't trust political parties. We see that majority rule is bad. We want rulers who are fair. We want Mzansi to be well. Right people to be rulers are members of many parties. When they join the government, all parties help to rule the land. Government of national unity, government by all people, justice for all the people, a good life for all people.